Hello, this is ELB. Let's get back to work. So, last time we were dealing with a problem where when we changed the speed of the character, or I should say the speed of the attack, we got some weird issues, and I'll show you what I mean, obviously. So, if we do this attack, we're going 16 pixels forward, right? But when we change the speed, no matter what it is, we take a step back. Like, quite a step back. So, I did do a slight bit of bug testing on my own. I didn't solve the issue, but I did realize something. So, take a look at what I got here. What this is it is how many pixels is being moved every step. Okay? In either direction. So, we're moving negative 160 on X, meaning we're going to the left, and 0.11, meaning we're going slightly down. Okay? So you see what's happening here is we know that we're going 1.76, and then we are going negative 17.60. So, does this add up to more than all this put together? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically, we're removing all this, but then going backwards one more of those. So the way I got this was not too complicated. Oh, give me just a moment. Okay. It's not in create. It is in... Wait, it's not even in there. Or is it? No, it's in the sword. Okay. Melee, weapon. Here we go. So, what we're doing is we're getting the exact same thing as up here. X movement current minus X movement previous. Okay? So I think earlier we were simply doing X movement. And so as far as I can tell, this simply means that we are how do I put this? For one frame, we are doing the minus, whereas we shouldn't. So we could do, say, this. Sorry, I had to stop recording for a moment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do no, here. I know. I'll do current. Then I'll do previous and together. So let's see. Oh, no. Y movement current. Okay. Y X movement previous. Y movement previous. Okay. Current minus X movement previous minus Y movement previous. Oh, and for... let's do this as well. Not combo timer. Which was it? It was state timer. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Is there any way for me to make this bigger? Okay, so... so the idea is it is indeed current minus previous equals together. So 14.40 minus 12.80 equals 1.6. Geez, that moves really weird. Okay. So the problem we have going on, it looks like, is that the time is being reset, but we're doing it again anyway. But why are we doing it? Let's see. Does the X movement change at all when we... hold on. So current and previous should both be cleared, but for some reason they're not. They're not being cleared upon entering the next one for some weird reason. let's see if we can find this in any other part of the code real quick. Oh, that oh my goodness, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. It was right there all along. I'm so stupid. Okay, so we have a really easy fix for this. There we go. Okay. Let's see if this works. Which it should. At least I'd hope. Okay, that worked. And that worked. No overlap. Okay. That was so stupid. That was the problem all along. Gotcha. Here. Let's, get rid of all these. Okay. So now I need to figure out what exactly I want to work on. And I think I mentioned in a previous video that I sort of want to add a system where I can define multiple triggers and then call different scripts from those triggers. So let's figure out what exactly those triggers might be. Attack start, attack end, state change, enemy hit, wall hit, shield hit, because we are going to have to code that eventually. And that's about all I can think of, honestly. Not totally sure what everything is going to be quite yet. But that looks like a decent start, at least. Attack start, state change, enemy hit, wall hit, shield hit, attack end. So let's see. Oh, there was something else I realized. I forgot I had to do. So this is going to seem a little bit weird at first, but just follow with me here. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change the test attack, okay? Now I'm not going to change it drastically. I'm just going to change the sprite and the hitbox, or the mask I should say. Now you might be asking, why would I do that? And you'll see in just a moment. Scythe and scythe. Okay. Gonna change this to this real quick, because why not? I don't really care too much about the swing trail at the moment. Okay. I might need to change what subimage we use, but for the moment I don't need to, and I don't really care. Okay, so yeah, I need to change the subimage. Okay. Oh, wait a moment, I should change this. Scythe. Okay, so I need it to be subimage 1. Subimage 1. Subimage 1. Okay. Then come on, get down from there. Jeez. Okay. Gonna get rid of all of the not Octoroks. Why are there... Why is he there? That makes no sense. Okay. Getting rid. There we go. I'm gonna move you down here. I'm gonna put big ol'... I'm gonna put a wall down. Only that size. So, let's see if this works. Not quite. Okay, we got that. Change this to 8. Let's see what it looks like now. Still not quite. Well, I'm hoping you're at least understanding what I'm trying to point out here. Like, what if I made it 12? Because it is a it is a scythe, I guess, so why not? It can go out pretty far. If I still had the whip, I think I'd be able to demonstrate this a lot better. The problem that I'm running into here. There we go. So we got this weird, nonsensical attack, but we can see what's going on here. It's going straight around the thing. And while that's fine for attacking enemies, it's not so fine for attacking a wall. So in order to fix this, we're gonna do something a bit different. Here. Let's look at our weapon. Now normally we change the not the sprite index, the mask index upon a state change, and for the most part that's fine, but that's not fine for what we're trying to do here, where we're trying to have separate masks for hitting enemies and for hitting walls. So instead, we're going to do the mask changing here. We're going to change the mask for hitting the wall, and we're also going to change the mask for hitting an enemy. Now, here's how we're going to do this. It's going to be really, really simple, in fact. We're going to change this to say attack mask, and then wall mask. Okay? Now var created weapon id dot wall mask var n equals spr melee scythe. So we're simply going to use the entire thing. Now, we might not do this for every weapon. It will really depend. But for the scythe, it should work. I know that when we go and recreate the whip eventually, it'll work for that, so that we can't whip past the wall magically. Oh, I just realized one. Okay. That should be fine. Changing you to -1. Changing you to -1. Now we're changing it in here as well. Okay, attack mask and wall mask. So let's find all the places where we use weapon mask. Really? Oh, that's an unarmed. Remove that from there. Remove that from there. Oh, come on. Okay. Perfect. And now we go to here. So we're going to do mask index equals wall mask attack state. Okay. And then attack mask attack state. Pretty simple. So, did I leave these guys? I did. Let's see, do I hit this guy? I do? That doesn't seem right. Do I hit this? Okay, it looks weird, but that's what we want. I shouldn't be hitting this guy at all. Oh wait, there we go. Now I'm not. How was I hitting him? Oh, there we go. Huh. In any case, we got that to work a little bit better. Here, I'm gonna... Oh. There we go, we got our standard effect. AKA nothing. There we go. Here. I'm gonna change something real quick. I'm gonna pull this guy to right there. Okay. It has been hours since I recorded my last part. I believe I made sure that we could hit walls properly. I know this is definitely not what I had on screen when I was doing that, but still. Oh. Trying to hit these guys is way more difficult than you'd expect. Oh my goodness. Ah! Trying to fit through that was also weirdly difficult. Anyhow. I think the thing that I'd like to work on is this, getting these in. Although, if I'm gonna have a shield hit, I suppose I should try to create an enemy that has a shield. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So... How do I want to do this? We're gonna create something I'll call PR enemy shield guy. What are you doing up there? Come on. Resize canvas to 16 by 16. Nope, hold on a moment. Okay. So we can make this guy... Actually, you know what? Here. It's a weird looking shield, but should work. Shield guy. It's a weird looking shield, but that's okay. We'll put some sort of... Actually, no, you know what? Here. It's Zelda now. This is really weird looking, honestly. Also, I completely forgot I was recording there for a moment. Admitting now. So, all we need now is the behind view. Then we'll get them in the correct order. It's not what I wanted at all. Copy, paste. Okay, so we start with right, up, left, down. Then take a sip. Oh. So the idea behind this guy is going to be simple. He's going to be very slowly rotating, and as he rotates, so will his shield, obviously. So, let's see. Create object, obj, parent, no, obj, enemy, shield guy. So I need to inherit, destroy, step, draw, pre-draw. Nope, not draw GUI. Pre-draw. There we go, we're inheriting our events. Sprite is shield guy. Let's see. I'm gonna block these guys in real quick. Enemies, shield guy. Okay. He is nothing. What the heck? What? I put him down, didn't I? That's weird. It's because HP equals 100? I mean... I don't even know. Did he just destroy himself? Nope, he's not even there. That's really odd. Like, is there anything? I'm gonna pull him right there. Will he even be there? No. What the heck? What am I doing wrong with this guy? I mean... everything should be normal. Oh, pfft. Did I really forget to do that? Okay. Hold on a moment. Okay. Look at that! Look at this derpy asshole. What's his hitbox right now? I don't even know. Yeah. There we go. Is this you spin me right round, baby, right round? Donk. Anyhow. So... the goal with this guy is going to be to get him to rotate slowly. Maybe like... maybe like... okay, so he's gonna be rotating. And he's gonna have a shield up. So... once, control. And then I think image index is current subimage. Yeah, I'm never sure which one it is. HP equals 100 and what else? Well, that was unexpected. Oh, wait a moment. I am stupid. Okay. Okay. 0, 30. Actually, I can just do this. Okay. So he faces random directions. So I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want to do this. He could have an actual object in front of him that is going to act as his shield, sort of the way the weapon is its own object. So yeah, we could try that. Oh my goodness, come on, get down from there. We're gonna call you OBJ melee shield. There isn't really any sprite that I need to set it as, honestly. So, oh jeez, this is gonna be really weird. Okay, so Hmm. Hmm. So, did I accidentally put a thing in another thing? No, I did not. Okay. Get in there, jeez. Okay. Create group, shield. Create sprite, SPR. What did I call them? Melee shield mask 1. So this is going to be a bit interesting. Just hang with me here for a moment. So actually, so here, let's try to think of this with like the actual player character, okay? Oh, come on. Basically, I'm stupid. Let's try that again. Get that. Okay. We got our guy here, right? So it would sort of be something like this. Um, mm, so I'm not totally sure on this, but bear with me here. So I think you get the idea here, where this would sort of rotate to go around the player, although it wouldn't be visible, although it might be too big. Okay, so assuming that's too big, what wouldn't be too big? That? But then if something went flying past it this way, the player would just kind of block it magically. We could go full insane here. Yeah, let's try this. So, SPR, shield, mask, 2. Okay, get ready for this one. Okay. So we start out with this, right? Then we do that. Then we do that. Then we do this. I think you see where I'm going with this. One more, and I think we'll have hand-drawn every one that we need to. Okay. So oh wait, no, I don't think. We'll just do that. hold on. For my own benefit. Okay. 12 for every direction. Is there a repeat or anything? There is. Okay. So let's see, it's not 24... 48? Yeah, 48. This is probably kind of a silly solution. Okay, almost there. Just one more of these. Give me a moment. Okay. Almost there. And that's it. Look at that animation. This is pretty silly. Okay, then we erase white, and we're good to go. I need to crack my back. Hold on. Ooh. That felt good. Okay. Okay. So we got the shield mask. So for now, let's do this. Instance create XY OBJ melee shield. So shield ID equals instance create. Okay. So here. The only thing we're going to do for this is this. No, it's image speed equals 0. Okay. That's all we're going to do, even though it has no image. And then shield ID dot image mask, no, mask index equals SPR melee shield, no. What did I call it? SPR shield, just SPR shield mask. There we go. Oh, you know what? We're gonna do both of those. Nope, that's the wrong one. Okay. For fun, let's have this be visible. Wrong thing. Have it on top to make sure that we can see it for testing purposes. There we go. Subimage. What was I thinking? Okay. We'll do that. With shield ID, instance destroy. Okay. Let's see if this works. Look at that. He is bringing his shield with him, sure enough. Okay. So we gotta add this, don't we? Scripts, attacks. So can hit shield. There created weapon ID dot shield hittable. Var n equals true. In which case, wait, no, we're gonna be false. Okay. So hitting shields is not going to have its own special animation. It's just going to be a glancing blow. Okay, then we need shield mask. Which is probably going to be the same as the wall mask 99% of the time. Let's see. There we go. Gotta get it for this. There we go. Okay. So now we just gotta add it to this thing. if shield hittable, attack state equals true, and place meeting x y obj shield. No? Obj melee shield. There we go. Can do that. Yeah. So, upon hitting the shield, we are determining that we won't be able to hit the enemy further. So, we're essentially going to be stealing all of this code. Okay. Okay. New enemy equals true for n equals. Pretty much the only difference is that we're not gonna do any damage, and yeah, that should do it. Okay. Nope. Of course. So we didn't get the ID, which I should have been thinking of. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how exactly I want to pass the ID of the enemy that I'm hitting from the shield to the weapon, so it can add it to the list. Place meeting returns a boolean. Collision rectangle wouldn't work, though. I would say instance nearest, but actually, no, place meeting will work. It's just gonna be, it's gonna be interesting. So, get ready for this. How did I do that? We're gonna do another for loop. For m equals 0, while m is less than instance number obj shield, no, obj melee shield m plus plus. Okay. If place meeting, no, instance find obj melee shield m shield ID equals that, then we're gonna do, no, var shield. We're gonna do var shield ID where's the unexpected? Oh, there we go. Var shield ID dot creator ID. There we go. Okay. Let's see if that works. Of course. Oh, well, it didn't hit them. Ideally, that's supposed to be hitting. Here. Let's test this real quick. Can shield. Let's change that to false for a moment and see what happens. Okay, hitting him now. But once set to true, I can't seem to touch it at all. Okay. Oh, wait a moment. Yep, separate collision masks. Hit him. Come on, man. Guys, a bit too unexpected. Let's see. Rather than doing this, I'm gonna do Okay. So, let's slow that down a bit. Okay. Hitting your shield. Hit the shield. Should hit the shield. Hit the shield. Should not hit the shield. Did not hit the shield. Shouldn't hit the shield. Should hit the shield. There we go. Look at this. Okay. I'm happy that works. Okay, well, I think I'm actually going to call this good for tonight. This has been productive, although things are still really, not polished, obviously. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.